For this tutorial, I'll be using these nails. They are our DDF Nails Full Cover Clear Coffin nail tips, and I'll be using them on a realistic practice nail. And then the products that you'll see is the DDF Nails Base Gel and the DDF Nails Builder Polish. So this is Builder 01, and this is a softer pink, and depending on your skin tone you want to use this. This is Builder 02, and Builder 02 is the builder polish that I will be demonstrating in this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is prep your nail, push your eponychium back, and also get any cuticle off the nail bed and buff the shine off the nail. You don't have to use a primer, but if you do, that's up to you. And then you want to go in with a layer of the clear base gel, okay? And then you want to cure that in your lamp. Be sure to cap the tip, and then you want to go in with your builder polish. Now this is LED and UV curable, so for the first layer you do want to apply a thin layer of this, and this is just going to be the base for you to build the nail up. And again, be sure to cap the tip, and then you want to cure this in your LED lamp for 60 seconds. If you're using a UV lamp, you want to cure for 2 minutes. And then you want to go in with your second layer of the builder polish, and again, just make sure that you're covering the entire nail. Make sure that you just take the gel and simply apply it to any areas where you have like little dips, and to also help make sure that the nail is built up properly, the apex looks good, you can just flip the nail over, okay, and just for like 5 seconds, and that will help. You want to go ahead and cure in your LED lamp for 60 seconds, 2 minutes in a UV lamp. And then here you see me just applying my third layer. Now the third layer is going to be a little thicker, and you just kind of want to float it on the nail. You can make sure to take your time because this self levels so beautifully. And again, be sure to cap the tip. Now all I'm doing here is just taking this realistic practice finger and moving it around, making sure that there aren't any dips in the nail. If so, you'll just see here that I'm just simply applying this gel where it needs, and leave it alone. Just let it self level. After you cure it in your LED or UV lamp, then you want to take some alcohol. I use 99% alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and just wiped off the inhibition layer. Now what you want to do is go in with a nail file and start to refine the shape. And then after you've worked on your sidewalls and the tip of the nail, then you want to just start working on the body, okay? So you just want to make sure it's shaped nicely. After you're done with your filing, now you can either e-file or you can hand file. After you do that, you see here I am using a nail buffer, and this is again just going to refine the shape and just prep it for the top coat. So after you're done buffing, just make sure to use a brush, or a duster brush is what I call it, and get the dust off of the nail. And then you want to go in again with some isopropyl alcohol just to make sure any dust or lint, and this is a lint-free wipe by the way, make sure that you use this to get any lint or dust off the nail. And here I am using the DDF Nails No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. We do have a No Wipe Shiny and a No Wipe Matte Top Coat. Now you want to go ahead and cure this in your lamp for 30 seconds, and then go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. When I do my top coats, I like to allow them to sit for a couple seconds to cool off after being in the lamp, and then applying my oils. Therefore it won't dull down the nail, and you'll get a nice beautiful shine. If you wanted to go in with a gel polish, you could use any of our DDF Nails UV LED color gel polishes instead of the top coat. And to remove this, it's very simple. Just break the seal of your top coat, file the nail down as thin as you would like and soak off in pure acetone, and it completely soaks off very easily without any problems. If you're interested, our web store will be listed below. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and follow our Instagram. I would absolutely love to have you, and any other information will be listed below as well. As always, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.